Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just checking in from my balcony, from a hotel balcony, and I just wanted to check in. I'm on a vacation with my peeps here. Let me just show you the coast, and yeah, very nice. And want to do a quick wristwatch check, and I have my Submariner, my proper dive watch. I haven't had much time to gather and bring uh, more watches, and I never bring more watches to the coast, to the vacation, because I have one watch and I keep it on my wrist all the time, and that way I'm not worried about losing it, not worried about staff stealing it from safe and whatnot. And decided to bring my Submariner. Usually I brought Submariner 2 years ago when I went on vacation, and being away from home, I actually never had the chance to hang out with my subby for these past year and a half since I've been away from home, and I decided to spend some time with it because why not? Yeah. So that's it. I haven't had a chance to swim much anyway because I have a little 2.5-year-old who's who's handful and full of demands, so I need to take care of him. So I'm being basically swimming up till the knees, water, the shallows, and yeah, with the kiddie toys and pools and whatnot. But still having much fun, and yeah, use your watches. Usually I go and test my watch if it's waterproof, which is a great idea, but this year I haven't had a chance, haven't had the time, so I just decided I'm gonna go for it. It's a screw down crown. I'm not gonna do anything extreme, so yeah, why not? I cannot do some wrist shots, fancy wrist shots and shots in the water with the watch, because again, I have a son, I have a baby boy, and he's a handful. So those who know, and those who don't know, I wish them to know soon. So a wrist shot, yeah, it's a shallow professional watch. So let me just give you a little glimpse. What do you see here? Yeah, this is a better shot. So let me just give you a glimpse. What do you have here? There's someone's towel there on the palm tree. I guess the wind took it away. And today is a bit cloudy day. Which I actually don't mind when I'm on vacation, because I get sick and tired of the sun all the time, and it's still warm and it's still swimmable. You can see people down there swimming, and still magnificent. Here you have a little walking area, walking path, and there's this trail that goes all over the time. But these days I cannot shoot you fancy shots in the sea or fancy stuff. Barely I get a selfie, because I have my hands full. I need to chase around a little Tasmanian monster. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I just want to check in. This is in Croatia. This place, I know you're gonna be asking me. I traditionally go to Croatia because it's beautiful, sea is beautiful, and it's close to home, so I don't have to drive too much away, and that's big plus. When my boy gets a bit older, then we'll take a bit longer and more exotic vacations. But yeah, Croatia is exotic enough. Well, maybe for Americans is, but to us, they're just neighbors, and we love Croatia. Croatia is beautiful, and this is Amish little town. No, next to it, this is holiday village hotel with bungalows. It has hotel rooms, apartments, which I'm using, and it also has bungalows and separate apartments and whatnot. There's even one here right next to the beach, and it's awesome. Yeah. Well, you can see, even though it's a cloudy day and whatnot, you can see how the sea is clear, and you can basically see through the water, and it's beautiful. This is the wrist shot I took on Instagram last night, and this nighttime iPhone photography is really awesome because it was all pitch black. You can only see the moon, and the end result, these new technologies is awesome. So yeah, once more wrist shot from your guy EDC Gunner. Been wearing my Submariner, and I love it. It's a perfect watch. It's a perfect watch to have for everything. You just want to have one watch, it's a perfect one. And for all occasions, and it can be a one watch collection. It's a perfect one watch collection, the Submariner. In fact, I'm gonna name the video like that. So yeah, that's it. I'm EDC Gunner on the channel EDC Watches. If you're first time here, subscribe. I will try to have some more content for you guys. So yeah, people are enjoying themselves, and this is a private beach for the hotel, so it's not crowded, and it's awesome. So come check out, visit Croatia, and while you are in Croatia, Bosnia is not that far away, so check out Bosnia as well.